In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix web hosting not showing in GoDaddy. If you open your GoDaddy account and you don't see any web hosting listed under your products, don't worry. In many cases, this simply means that a hosting plan has not been purchased yet. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to check and how to get to the right section to solve that. First, go ahead and open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're logged in, look for your profile area. This is usually where you can access your account-related options and the products connected to your account. Click on your profile and then select My Products. When the My Products page opens, take a look through the list of services connected to your account. If web hosting is not visible there, that usually explains the issue right away. It means there is currently no active web hosting plan attached to the account. So if you are expecting to see hosting but nothing appears, the most likely reason is that a hosting package hasn't been purchased yet. To fix that, stay in your account and look for the main menu or navigation icon. Click on it, then go to the section for hosting and WordPress. This is the area where GoDaddy shows its available hosting services and website hosting options. Once you're there, you'll be able to browse the plans and choose the one that fits your needs. If your goal is to run a standard website, make sure you select a hosting option that matches the type of site you want to build. Take a moment to review the plan details carefully before purchasing so you know what features are included. After you complete the purchase, the hosting product should then appear in your GoDaddy account under My Products. That's the key point to understand here. If hosting isn't showing, it's often not a display problem or technical error. It usually just means there's no hosting plan on the account yet. So to recap, sign into your GoDaddy account, open your profile, go to My Products, confirm whether web hosting is listed. And if it isn't, open the menu, go to Hosting and WordPress and purchase the appropriate plan. Once that's done, your hosting should show up properly in your account, and you can move forward with setting up your website.